Hi, I'm Molly, the Online Services Librarian here at Manhattanville University Library, and today I wanted to show you how to reserve a group study room using our homepage. So first, take your mouse and hover it over our Services tab. The second option, Book a Group Study Room, is the one that we want. Then you just click on this blue link here that says Book a Group Study Room, and you'll be taken to this page. This is the page that you get taken to directly if you use the QR code on any of the doors of our available rooms. On the left-hand side here, you can see the different numbers of the rooms that we have available in the building, along with their capacity and various amenities that they have. So the wheelchair means that it's accessible, the plug means that there are outlets, and the box with the marker means that there's either a chalkboard or a whiteboard available in the room. If I was looking to book it this evening, all of these being green would mean that all of the rooms were available. But say if I'm looking to book it for tomorrow, I have to scroll down here at the bottom. 004 has already been booked from noon to 2. So let's say I wanted to book 004 as soon as we open tomorrow at 9. So I just click on the 9 o'clock, and the yellow means that we've been booked for about a half hour. It automatically books you for a half hour, but if you'd like to stay for longer, you just click on the drop-down menu here, and you can book any room for up to 2 hours at a time. So once you have figured out how long you'd like the room for, you can just click Submit Times, and you'll be taken here where you have to put in your name, and then your Manhattanville email address. You cannot use your personal email, you can't use any other email, it has to be at mville.edu or at student.mville.edu. Just click Submit My Booking, and now it says my booking has been confirmed. You'll receive an email confirmation, and when you receive that, make sure you keep it because it will become your receipt. Basically proof that you reserved the room and not somebody else, or if somebody else is in there, you have proof that you reserved it first. This booking form is intended for group study, so if you're looking to book a room for an event, say your club is hosting some sort of poetry read or something like that, you can email Amanda Park at amanda.park@mville.edu to see about larger rooms that you can reserve for that.